Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, December 28, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon Thursday, December 28, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 28, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, December 28, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 41 million pesos for December 28, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, December 28, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.